What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you Windows 11 preview. I was able to get my hands on leaked release and I was able to download a file. Now it's no longer available, and what I did, I upgraded my Windows 10 virtual machine to Windows 11. So this is new look, and right here you can see this is Windows 11. It's a dev's version and this is the build number, and I have Windows 11 Enterprise. So the new look kind of reminds me a little bit of Mac OS. They move all the icons and start menu in the middle, but you can actually change it to the left if you would like. So here's few options or new features that they added. So the very first one is the start menu. When you click on start, you can see rounded corners first, and then you can see all your pinned apps here. And then when you click on all apps, you can see it's kind of similar to Windows 10, and then you can scroll down. I think they added a couple different apps, like for example this one, Snip and Sketch. Maybe it was in the Windows 10, but I don't think I've seen it before. And other than that, it looks pretty similar to Windows 10. Then another new feature what they added, if we open for example Microsoft Edge and you would like to set it on the right side, you can see the new animation. You can see the way your screen is gonna look before you actually gonna set it to the left or right. And that way, if you have multiple windows open, it's kind of a new way to multitask, and then you can set exactly how you want your windows to look. Also, they're saying that they improved touch control. I don't have a touch screen, so I can't really verify that. Added multiple new sounds, and then they also changed dark mode. So for example, if we right click and click on taskbar settings, we don't really get that same menu that we used to in Windows 10. And then right here we can click on background. You can change different pictures in your background, and then colors. And then here in colors, by default it's set to light, and then we can change it to either custom or dark. Once we set it to dark, everything turns dark, and we can change the background to match our dark. And for example, if I press on start, everything is changed to dark mode. Then also they're saying all rounded corners. On start, you can see that my start has rounded corners, but if I open File Explorer, my corners are not rounded. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I upgraded from Windows 10, but in some cases corners will be rounded. And also they refresh Action Center right here. I don't see a whole lot of changes, but at least that's what they're claiming. Then one of the other biggest changes, you can see they've changed all the icons, even the trash can, start menu, File Explorer, and then if we press on that, you can see like desktop downloads and other icons. They look completely different. This computer, network, OneDrive is actually still the same. And then if we press on start and then go to all apps, then we can see some of the icons still the same, like calculator, camera, but some of them look a little bit different, updated, like Notepad, Windows Security, and Windows Terminal. Also, one thing what they added virtual desktop. So for example, right here, if you press on this, you can add a new desktop. So that way you'll have multiple desktops. If for example, you only have one monitor and you have different tasks running and you need window at a time, you can create multiple desktops. And then you can, for example, have one thing running on one desktop, and then on another, you can open like, for example, Edge, and then you can create few more and add, like for example, maybe Outlook or something else. If you only have one monitor, this feature could be very useful. And also widgets, but I'm not signed in, so I can't really see the widgets. Then a couple other things what I noticed, when you right click on your desktop, you can see that there is an option they added to the menu, open in Windows Terminal. Then this window is gonna appear, it's gonna open PowerShell. Well, one thing I noticed, and I don't think you can do that in Windows 10, you can have multiple windows open, so you can use PowerShell as a command prompt as well. For example, you're running something here, like ipconfig or something, or maybe a trace route, and then at the same time, you can open a new tab and perform another task. And this could be useful if you are, I don't know, configuring or troubleshooting something and you're trying to run multiple windows instead of opening multiple separate windows. You can just have different tabs in one window. And like I said before, we can move our start button and taskbar icons to the left. So if you right click and click on taskbar settings, right here, taskbar alignment, it says to center. We can change it to left and it's gonna move everything to left. And so far, this is pretty much it. This is what I found so far. New features and functions that possibly they will be offering, but at this time, this is not official version. It was just leaked on the internet. Most likely something else is going to be changed or added. But at this time, this is what it looks like. And also one more thing I was going to say, a lot of people was asking if Windows 11 upgrade, if it's going to be free or you'll have to pay for upgrade. Since I didn't do fresh install, but I did the upgrade from 10 to 11, my Windows is activated. So I'm not sure if the license work or not. So if I'm going to press on start and type activation and then press enter, you can see that Windows 11 Enterprise Windows is activated with digital license. So I guess it took my Windows 10 license since I did the upgrade. So I'm not sure if it's going to be free or if you'll have to pay for upgrade or not. But in my case, with the dev version, I was able to install and this version is activated. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.